What is up, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. The life of a stay-at-home wife is actually pretty boring, but here we go. So I took this fence and I cut it up, and I basically got like these sections that had 2x4s and then these smaller sections you see right there. And what I did was I brad nailed the smaller sections onto those 2x4 sections and made a box, which I'm gonna plant lots of things in. Well, actually not that many things in because it's not that big. But if you want to see more of me turning trash into treasure, make sure you like and subscribe to my channel, and you can see just what I'm planting. And here I use a clamp, which it comes in handy if you're building things by yourself. So go get you a clamp, or use something that you can clamp yourself, like, well, glue dries or something, because being a lady, we need to clamp things together to make sure that it holds properly in place. So here I'm just trying to make it kind of look a little straighter, trying to bring that edge closer because some of the wood was a little off and a little warped. But at the end, it didn't look too bad. I'll show you the final result coming up after I screw it and stuff. Here I'm just clamping and screwing in the same sides. This is the final result. It's not perfect, but it's cute and it's going to do its purpose. Don't forget, peeps, I'm going to be planting lots of things this spring. I'm going to be building my garden. So if you want to watch it grow, subscribe and like.